So Alex, what are you doing?
No, I'm not talking.
You need to talk. Are you making a braaivleis in Africa?
Yeah.
What is that white stuff?
This is Blitz.
Okay. And does it smell nice?
No, it smells like gas. That's been solidified. So now I put it in the center. Okay.
There you go. Well done.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna go and see what Granny's doing.
Oh no,
Here we have Granny. Wat maak Kate?
I'm doing research, my dear. What else do you want?
Now we're going to the internet cafe tree to see what's happening there. Oops. And Pastor and Pastoress.
Well, I'm just relaxing. I have nothing that I'm wanting to do or doing. I'm just relaxing. I'm being restorative.
What is
I'm
that?
reading the manual, The Church of the Nazarene.
She's a very good student, by the way. Very diligent.
We have it on camera.
It is leaking sap
Oh, cool.
at the bottom. Oh, actually, several of the logs. That one's leaking quite a bit.
Wait, we gotta. Can you fire? Oh,
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Okay, close her up. Whoa, look at that.
Broke off.
Chuck it in the fire.
They're aside, so we're gonna put the meat on there pretty soon now. Okay, gotta start moving the coals around now, getting it ready for the fire. So spread it out, okay? Remember, you want your grill to be able to be under it, so we don't want to waste any heat. So spread it out and distribute it. Press that button, so those pieces that are burning, you can move to the side.
Oh, it's really hot.
Oh.
because she should be self-sufficient. She wants to live the van life. She needs to know how to do it.
I'm getting there.
I'm preparing her for her future.
Wait, I got it. I just gotta move away
That's
from
one
the
of
smoke.
the. Keep it on the outside.
I just had to move away from the smoke.
This big one over here, bring it to the side.
Which one? This one?
No, the side of it.
Oh.
Yeah, kind of just push it in. That one's kind of disintegrate, so tap it a little.
This one? This one?
I mean, like this.
Linda, why are your toes waving?
Better than having my tongue sticking
True.
that off.
Okay.
Hot.
I know! My hand was getting there. No. I'm explaining why I was...
In a whiny voice.
No.